Cachaça today, which is like a crude Brazilian rum. I've got my sugarcane juice, and I've got my 100-year-old copper still. I'm just boiling it. You can see the steam coming out just to get it clean before we get this whole process started. And that steam is just going to clean out the whole machine. You can see the steam coming out. It's clean. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. And here we have sugarcane juice, which Misha juiced, I don't know, must be almost 3 weeks ago now. Must be about between 14 and 20 days. Mostly they're going to be what? Clearing this and bringing up sugarcane to juice. So just cleaning, weeding, pulling the vines down and stuff.
That would be awesome.
Zach using Asian technique to tie up this sugarcane.
Se passa, não é assim, não é bem assim. No teu fracasso não vem se refugiar em mim. Você é perigoso, tá no ciclo vicioso. Sempre diz que pega todas, tu é muito mentiroso. De você eu nada quero, do seu tipo eu nada espero. Porque quando abre a boca fica só no lero-lero. Sai, eu não quero mais que você fique do meu lado, então me deixe em paz.
I just finished work in the garden and walking up to continue our sugarcane situation. So I already brought some sugarcane right here, and I'm gonna do now sugarcane juice. Whole this process from cleaning to juicing sugarcane. Carolina, where are you? Where are you? Say hi, Carolina.
Hello.
Hello.
So excited
So,
for sugarcane juice.
oh yeah, I'm so excited. Everyone's so excited always about sugarcane because it's super delicious and sweet and healthy and stuff like that. So I'm gonna jump on it now. So I just brought whole this sugarcane. I'm gonna clean it up like with some mop and wet one. So nothing fancy here. Then I'm gonna cut it on a half, or maybe some parts on a 4 pieces, which is like a really thick one. And then I'm gonna put it right here into juicer. Yeah? Yeah. I have to say, this is so awesome. Carolina doing her stuff here. Look at these.
Taro, yeah. Sweet potato, anything really, beets, anything that's
yeah.
ground root vegetables.
All right, and I'm gonna do my sugarcane stuff, and Kevin gonna
Vem,
help.
vem, vem se vem. Pior que não ter é fazer marra com o que não tem. Não, obrigada.
So, all right, we clean all this sugarcane with wet mop. We split it on a half or 4 parts or 3 parts, whatever. And now I'm gonna bring stuff for this cane juice machine and clean it a little bit with vinegar.
Não, obrigada. Na real, tô te falando e tu ainda
The funniest time ever.
And if you look at this, it's been left to ferment now for a good amount of time. I can smell the alcohol coming off of that. And you know it's ready when it stops bubbling. It's already starting to form a mom on top, a vinegar mom. This is like a SCOBY for, take that out. I can smell the alcohol coming off of that. So I know it's ready to go. And basically the way this works, I'm going to put the fermented sugarcane juice in the still. I'm going to turn up the heat. Alcohol boils at a lower point than water. And so the alcohol is going to boil off first. It's going to come up here. And then I'm going to pour water. It's going to go inside of here in coils around this copper tube. It's going to cool down the vapor bringing it back to a liquid, and it's going to drip and get caught here in this jar. What we're making is an Agricole rum. It's about 120 proof, and it's really smooth and tasty, and we'll get some tastings later on this afternoon. The week we make moonshine, everybody is a little dizzy in the morning because we have hangovers.
Vou te dar mais toque, então presta bem atenção. Nunca confunda carinho, desejo, amor e paixão. Quem não tem direção, tranca as portas da razão. Então, irmão, se liga na sua situação. Você ainda não entende, tem raciocínio lento. E o meu pensamento vai longe como vento, mas não deixe o peito te levar. Não há vento favorável, quem não sabe aonde
Não,
quer.
obrigada.
The alcohol started to boil. I started to get some steam. I went and turned the water on. And now it's got water going through. It's cooling. I turned the heat down. And I want it to get down to a nice drip like this. So that's about ideal. And now we're just going to wait. It's strong. And the first shots will pour off. But then after that, we'll start collecting. Hopefully we'll get about a mason jar. That's what, a half gallon. Sometimes I get about half gallon to 3/4 of a gallon usually for that much, 5 gallons of sugarcane juice. And again, it's about 120 proof, so we could dilute that down, bring it down to like 80 proof, which is what most cachaça is at. We tend to leave it pure and just drink it straight. So later on, the guys will join me. We'll sit around and have a couple of drinks. It's a lot of fun. We'll be enjoying the moonshine into the night.
All right, while Kevin finishing with the juice, with the squeezing the juice, I'm gonna do a juice for us with a lemon and I guess a little bit of this thing. What is it, Carolina? Mulo? Lulo. It's super cool thing, super cool thing. So we're gonna try today sugarcane juice with Lulo. I have this a gallon bucket of just fresh squeezed sugarcane juice. I'm gonna strain it one more time after the heavy strainer in the machine. I'm gonna strain it one more time for this thing into the pitcher. Add some lemon, and as I said, Lulu. Super excited about Lulu. I just blend this Lulu with a tiny bit of sugarcane juice. I have this kind of really cool thing here, and it smells super delicious. For me, it's like a kiwi with a lemon, something like that taste. So I'm gonna strain it back to my sugarcane situation. And God, I bet it's so good. I wish I could try it. So I mean, you always can. GingerHill Farm, Big Island, Hawaii. Welcome.